Welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today I'm making scalloped potatoes. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 medium-sized potatoes. Using a mandolin, create thin slices. If you don't have a mandolin, I'll show you some other options. I tried to use the slice inside of the grater. That definitely will not work. I've done the foolproof. I've tested that. That's too thin. So what you'll need to do is create some thin slices using a knife. I use a serrated knife here, but whatever knife you have will work. So that's the slices from the grater. These are the slices that I do with hand, and that's the mandolin. As you can see, the sizes for the mandolin and the slices that I've cut with my hand are pretty much the same. So potato, no pun intended. For the roux sauce, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of margarine, 2 tablespoons. Actually, I think I used 3 tablespoons because I wanted a thicker roux. Now, we're cooking all of this over medium flame. Once it gets to that consistency, then you begin to add your liquids. We're using 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup water. That will create a creamy consistency, but not clyding as we would say in the Jamaican terms. Now add the liquids slowly. As you can see here in the video, I'm adding it little by little, and each time I whisk, I mix it around and scrape the sides. So we're getting an even consistency for the cooking. As you can see, it slowly comes together, it thickens, and then you'll get the consistency that you're looking for. Keep it at medium heat. We don't want to burn it. Once it comes to a boil, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then also add some white pepper. White pepper is a little bit more subtle than black pepper, and that's why it's really nice in this recipe, in the roux. So also add a 1/2 teaspoon and just whisk that in and allow it to continue to simmer on medium or low flame. Add your scallion and again whisk it in. Add about 1/2 cup of mixed cheese. Now I'm using like a Mexican blend of cheese right here because it's 4 different types of cheese in one pack. I don't think it gets much better than that. And that's the consistency I was looking for. That's the consistency I like. So you're gonna layer some of that sauce in a baking tray, overlay it with some potatoes, add some cheese on top of the potatoes, and then you put some sauce on top, then potatoes again, then cheese, then sauce. So it's sauce, potato, cheese, sauce, potato, cheese. Add some scallion on top, some cheese, pop it in the oven for 20 minutes, 10 minutes in the broiler, and just go ahead and enjoy. This is a really nice side and everybody loved it. Look at that.